you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk?
I'ma get you drunk, get you love drunk off my hump, 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 my lovely little lumps. Check it out. I drive these brothers crazy. I do it on the daily. They treat me really nicely. They buy me all these ices, Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and their Donna, Karen, they be sharing all their money. Got me wearing fly, good but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass and 7 jeans, true religion. I say no, but they keep giving, so I keep on taking. And no, I ain't taking. We can keep on dating. I keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps, my hump, my hump, my hump, my humps. They got you.
Start shaking, the earth was quaking, my mind was aching, and we were thinking, and you shook me all night long. Yeah, you shook me all night long.
What you gonna do with all that ass inside them jeans?
I'ma make you scream, make you scream, make you scream. 'Cause of my hump, 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 my lovely lady lumps. Check it out.
As the world started shaking, the earth was quaking, my mind was aching, and we were thinking, and you shook me all night long. Yeah, you shook me all night long.
They say I'm really sexy. The boys they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, hump, looking at my love, love. You can look, but you can't touch it. If you touch it, I'ma start some drama. You don't want no drama, no drama, no.